good morning. Today I would like to present to you about application of glass and steel in mechanical engineering. Introduction. Steel is an alloy of iron which typically 80% of carbon to improve its strength and fracture resistance compared to iron. Because of its high tensile strength and low cost, steel is used in buildings, infrastructure, tools, ships, trains, cars, machines, electrical appliances, and weapons.
Process involved in metal is purification or refining of metal. What is refining? Refining is a process where removing impurities in order to obtain metals of high purity, and some method involved in the refining of metals. Secondly, by sublimation. In this method, the impure metal is heated in a blast of air when impurities are oxidized and blown away. For example, when impure silver is heated in air, lead present in it is oxidized to lead harsh or PbO and blown away, leaving a shiny of silver. Thirdly, by liquefaction. This process is used for refining easily fusible metals like lead and tin. The impure metal is heated on the slope head of a reverterary furnace. The metal melts and flows down, leaving the impurities. The first point is polling. The molten metal is stirred with green wood poles. Wood at high temperature of the molten metals form hydrocarbon like methane, which being the reduction of any oxide present in the metal. For example, copper oxide present in the blister copper. In this case, the tin of impurities are oxidized and float on the molten metal as scum, which is removed.
Metals can be divided into two main groups, which is ferrous metals are those which contain iron, and non-ferrous metals that are those which contain no iron. We go first for ferrous metals. First, the mild steel. It is used for gauges or beams, screws, nuts and bolts, nails, scaffolding, car bodies, storage units, and oil drums. And the second is the medium carbon steel. It is used for the manufacture of products which have to be tough and hard wearing like gears, tools, keys, and others. And next is the high carbon steel. It is used for cutting tools and products which have to withstand wear, such as guillotine, springs, and more. And the last one is the stainless steel, which we use for cutlery, sinks, pipes, car pieces, and others.
So, what is non-ferrous metal? Non-ferrous metal doesn't contain iron. They have a lot of uses, but often expensive because they are more difficult to extract. Aluminium is a good conductor for both electricity and heat. It can be used as high voltage power line, light metal work, roofing and windows, and also kitchen tools. Next, we move to the copper, which is ductile and moderately strong, that can be used in telephone lines, domestic hot cylinder water, and pipes, and also car radiator core. Brass has very good anti-corrosive properties and it's resistant to wear. It can be used in jewelry, plumbing, turbine, and capacitors. While magnesium, it has very strong reaction with oxygen. It can be used in firework, aerospace industry, and car industry. The next one is tin. It is very soft and it doesn't oxidize at room temperature. It can be used in soft soldering, tin foil, and tin plate. The zinc properties is anti-corrosive, not very hard, and weak at low temperature. It is suitable for roofing and plumbing because it stops corrosion.
In conclusion, metal play an important role in our daily life. Metals are used in a wide range of applications due to its characteristics. They are usually very strong, most durable, and high resistant to everyday wear and tear. As such, it has been used as ancient science for a lot of things. And even today, with advances in technology and a lot of other things, the uses of metal have broadened greatly. Metal even play a key role in the economy as metal are the main component in the construction industry. Another important application of metal are in electronics, as metal are good conductor of electricity.